Payday arrives. You feel rich for a moment, but somehow, by the middle of the month, your account is nearly empty. It's not because you don't earn enough, it's because there's no system to manage where your money goes. Without a plan, spending just happens until the month ends, and you wonder where it all went. But there's a simple framework that takes just minutes to set up, and it will completely change how you handle your money. The 50-30-20ths budget rule is a money management method made famous by U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book, All Your Worth. It's simple: 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This rule keeps your lifestyle in check, ensures you cover your essentials, and still lets you enjoy life. Let's break it down, step by step, so you can start using it today. Needs are the essentials, the bills you must pay to live and work: rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, transportation. If these costs are more than 50% of your take-home pay, it's time to find ways to cut back or increase your income. This part of your budget keeps you safe, sheltered, and functional, but it shouldn't consume all your income. Wants are everything that makes life more fun: dining out, Netflix, shopping, vacations, hobbies. This is where most people overspend, and where the 50-30-20ths rule helps you put a healthy cap. You don't have to cut all wants, you just have to enjoy them within limits. Think of it like dessert: sweet in moderation, unhealthy in excess. The final 20% is your future: savings, investments, or paying off debt faster. This is how you build an emergency fund, save for a home, or retire comfortably. If you have debt, focus here until it's gone, then direct that same money toward investments. The earlier you start, the more your money grows through compound interest. First, calculate your monthly take-home pay after taxes. Next, write down your monthly needs, wants, and savings, debt payments. Compare your numbers to the 50-30-20ths split. Adjust where necessary. It's not about being perfect, it's about making your money work for you instead of disappearing. With the 50-30-20ths rule, you can enjoy life now and still secure your financial future. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Broke to Boss, and turn on the bell icon. More smart money tips are coming your way, so stay tuned.